Hello and welcome to my channel. What a glorious day. The sun's out. We had a few days of quite cold, windy weather, and that yesterday broke, and we've now got some wonderful sunshine. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to have a ride, and I'm going to go up the coast. You may be able to just see in the distance Alicante. I'm going to go along the coast past that, see the sand. My friend Paul, who was here in Spain a couple of weeks ago, he got back to the UK okay, but he had a terrible journey, lots and lots of rain and wind, and I think he was glad to be home a few days ago. So yeah, not a good trip. If you hear plane noises, I'm right next to the airport, so excuse that. I've been doing a few more jobs to the bike, much to Paul's consternation. He keeps on saying, "Oh, go and ride it, go and ride the bike, don't play with it." Anyway, I like playing, so there. Anyway, this morning I put some extra graphics on the tank where the knees go. Yeah! I put an extra USB outlet socket. There is one actually built onto the bike, but it was intermittent. There is a module under the tank, and something somewhere in the wiring is making it switch on and switch off, even on very low load. It's not as though it's being overloaded, so I'm not quite sure what the problem is. And for €20 I just bought a socket with a voltmeter built in, and that's quite handy, so I can monitor the voltage of the battery at the same time. And the other job I did yesterday, 5-minute job supposedly, was install some handlebar risers. First 3 bolts, the old bolts, came out really easily, no problem at all. Got to the 4th bolt and did a few turns and it just snapped. Heck of a job to remove it. A blowtorch on the bolt, a high power heat gun on the bolt, and just with mole grips it was not coming off. In the end, you know, combination of heat and a Stilton plumber's wrench, I managed to just grip it, and 1/8 of a turn of time I managed to undo it, but it was not a pleasant experience. Anyway, so whatever thread lock they use on the bolts is meant to last. It will never come undone. And you just need to be careful when you undo those bolts. Anyway, I'm going to go on up the coast and have a ride and see the scenery.